Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to install WordPress in GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, you'll be going to log into your account or create a new one if you do not already have one, but go ahead and log into the account where your website is. So after you have opened up your account and your website, you'll be greeted by this home page right here at the left side of the screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically, guys, the next step is to open up GoDaddy. So you can go to godaddy.com and get started logging into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you can get started accessing your hosting. So you can see, once you click on websites and hosting right here, this is going to enable you to open up this section right here where you can see under hosting we have WordPress hosting. So you can click on WordPress hosting. As you can see guys, this is going to enable us to simplify your WordPress hosting, and it's going to enable you to see all the plans and pricing that you can use for GoDaddy and WordPress. So you can get started connecting your WordPress website right here, and it's going to enable you to access that website within your cPanel in GoDaddy. It's easy as that, so you just want to go ahead and follow the steps they have approved right here and get started logging into your WordPress account and easily adding it to GoDaddy. It's easy as that. It will take you a couple of steps. All the results and all the steps you need are going to be appearing right here. They're going to guide you through it, and you'll be able to do it yourself. But yeah, that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.